Rich Ferguson, I'm the supervisor of the components department here at ATS. I oversee about 7 different shops. I have 7 different leads reporting to me on all of our activities. And in our electrical shop, we recently had an addition, a gentleman, Torry Confer, come to us through WorkSource, which worked with our recruiting department.
Decided to get out of the military after I was done with 6 years in the service. Decided to try out college for the first time in my life. While there, I realized a couple things and then figured it wasn't the best thing for me to do, to go on. So with it, I found somebody who told me about WorkSource and decided to go to an office there. They kind of helped me out, realize what I can do to make my resume better, how to do better with interviews, get more like training training through them. Through the website, there was a whole bunch of job listings. ATS was one of them. Decided to contact them through their emails, and they contacted me back saying, hey, we'd be interested.
And came in, interviewed extremely well, came in on time, cleaned up, very presentable, had really good knowledge, was well spoken and on tact.
At the interview, I told them about me being prior military, had experience with aviation already, and electronics or troubleshooting. And
the interview went really well. We offered him a position, and within a couple weeks he was in orientation, got into the shop. It was a real relief for us because it's hard to find people who have a zest for getting things done, for consuming tech data. He's a real smart guy, picked that stuff up, and he's fast tracking himself up our progress scale at an accelerated rate, which is wonderful because maybe 25% of folks have that ability, and even less have that inspiration that really do a lot and go out of the box and do above and beyond. So Torry's been a great addition to our electrical shop, and I continue seeing him accelerate up into leadership in the coming years. So.
Yeah, no, I would highly recommend going to a local WorkSource office, and there they can help you with your resumes just like they did with me, and hopefully you can get a job that you could use.
Get with WorkSource, and they will get with companies like ATS to find you a place where you can have a long-term employment, which seniority, I tell you, is a great thing to have in a company, and I really highly recommend that for anyone who's looking for a new job or a career path.